Good morning. It is December 9th, Tuesday morning, and we've got some crazy winds happening. So I thought I'd just show you guys a little bit what it looks like when we say it's windy around here. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Cece. My husband Kirk and I homestead here in the big beautiful state of Montana. And it's very normal in the fall and even into the winter to get winds. And they were calling for gusts up to 70 overnight. And I saw this morning that the National Weather Service actually clocked the highest gust at our little tiny airport at 96 miles per hour. So the power has been flickering a lot this morning. I went ahead and lit a lamp. Now that the sun is up, I'll probably blow the lamp out. We heat with wood stoves, so that was pretty normal for us to get a fire going this morning. I did go ahead get a little bit of water, put in one of our camping coolers. That way if we do lose power, I've got at least some drinking water. And then I'd always go out to the hand pump and get some more if we needed to. But I thought I would take you guys outside and show you around a little bit. You probably won't be able to hear me talk much because it's pretty insane out there. Okay, that's new. That was not like that. You can tell it came down. There's branches and whatnot here. This is all aspens, and aspens do tend to blow over a little easier. Several years ago, we lost the top of that one, and days like this I get worried about that one. You can see it's a split trunk. Luckily for us, they always blow away from the house. See the mountain's way up there a little bit, but it's pretty socked in. It's not very cold. Normally when it blows really hard, it's not very cold. Alright, I'm back inside again. You can see that's where our hand pump is. So if power goes out and we lose water, I'll just have to take a bucket or a cooler and go pump some water. Kind of crazy out there. We ended up waking up before the sun was up, so I had lit this lamp, but now that it's light out, I'll go ahead and blow that out. But yeah, we're just gonna stay warm and cozy today. Alright, thought I would do like a mid-afternoon update. The wind has definitely calmed down. It's still kind of gusty, but it is back to what we are more used to, so to speak. It's not that unusual for this time of the year for us to get up gusts up to 50. Once it gets up to gusts about 60, the locals kind of start paying attention. When it gets up to like 70, we're like, yeah, it's pretty windy. So for it to go and clear up to like 96, there was trees down in town and all kinds of things. Even us locals are kind of going, this is crazy. So yeah. Here we got a nice little gust again, but it's not near as bad. So it was quite an adventure this morning, I've heard.